Procedure Enter 2. Plant Biodiesel. Safety helmet, PPE suit coverall, safety shoes. Open the air receiver tank drain valve. Open and monitor oil slight glass and condensate drain valve. Switch on the air dryer. Switch on the air compressor. Switch on cooling tower fan, discharge pump motor, and suction pump motor. Wear safety harness correctly. Used to protect workers from falls when working at heights. Pressure gauge outlet cooling tower. Thermometer outlet cooling tower. Climb the cooling tower using a safety harness to see the cooling tower thermometer inlet. The flow cooling tower outlet. Flow inlet cooling tower. Measure the level water tank with length and width. Measure the level oil tank with length and width. Open the valve from water tank. Open valve from oil tank. Open valve to feed water pump. Open globe valve to flow into boiler. Open all flow oil valve. Monitor the boiler level water glass. Switch on main power supply boiler. Switch on boiler, burner, auto, and feed water pump number 1, auto. Monitor boiler until pressure gauge in 8 bar. The burner already on. Open the globe valve and supply steam to steam header. Open the steam header and supply steam to plant. Make a backwash process with 5 minutes and check the hardness limit water test. Harness water test must 2 ppm. Make a blowdown to make sure the sludge in. Boiler tank is moving. Objective: transfer from T209 to V201. Firstly, open the main power supply and switch on MCCB. Test the voltage. After that, switch on the MCB2. Activate the automation and control system. Control panel switch manual or off or auto. Login SCADA to run operation.
Control room to all. So the objective for today is transfer to T209 to BE201. Copy.
Write time and the all activites from objective to logbook.
Control room to BDG. Please open the boiler, cooling tower and compressor.
Write activities from utility 9:10 AM, boiler 3 bar, 9:10 AM cooling tower, inlet 28 degrees Celsius, outlet 23 degrees Celsius, pressure 6 bar. 9:10 AM compressor, 5 bar.
Control room to plant. Please line tracing from T209 to BE201.
Line tracing from T209 to V201 in plant use P&ID. Line tracing with have equipment pump P219 and filter F202. And go into pipeline V201. Check the oil level in the tank T209. (8:30 AM). Set and brief today objective. 8:45 AM. Line tracing. 9:10 AM. Utility starting boiler. CT. Compressor. 9:40 AM. Supply steam 6 bar. 9:40 AM. Boiler 8 bar. 9:40 AM cooling tower. Inlet 28 degrees Celsius, outlet 23 degrees Celsius, pressure 6 bar. Compressor 8 bar.
Control room to plant. Please standby someone to T219 to check the status of pump.
Someone already standby at P219.
Plant over the room, there's someone at pump 219.
Plant.
Plant over the room, copy.
We want to open the pump in 3, 2, 1.
The pump P219 open.
Control open and press.
Pump turn on.
Turn on the plant.
Plant over the room, copy.
We want to turn off the pump in 3, 2, 1.
The pump P219 is turned off.
Plant over the room, the pump is turning off.
Control room to plant. Please open the oil manual valve from T209 to BE201.
Open all manual valve from T209 to VE201.
plant copy. Control to plant.
Plant overload copy.
We want to transfer the oil in P209 to PE201. Please stand by at pump P2219.
Plant overload okay.
Control to plant. We want to open the pump in 3, 2, 1.
The pump P219 is turned on.
Control to plant.
Plant overload copy.
Please send someone in PE201 to check the status of oil.
Plant overload copy that.
Someone already in V201.
Plant overload BDG copy.
Okay.
There is movement inside BE201.
Control to plant.
Plant overload copy.
You want to off the P209 pump. Please send someone in the pump.
Plant overload copy that.
Control to plant. You want to turn off in 3, 2, 1.
The pump P219 is turned off.
Anyone?
Plant overload di pump 219 is turning off.
Control to plant.
Plant overload copy that.
Please send someone to turn off the all manual valve from P209 to PE201.
Plant overload copy that.
Someone close the all-manual valve from T209 to V201.
Plant overload BDG copy.
Control to plant copy.
All manual valve has been closed.
10:30 a.m. Boiler 6 bar. 10:30 a.m. Cooling tower. Inlet 28 degrees Celsius, outlet 23 degrees Celsius, pressure 6 bar. Compressor 8 bar. 11:30 a.m. All objective has been secure.
Control to all. For the first objective, transfer P209 to PE201 RAG success.